It is heights, our brave soldiers won the fight.
A very good morning to respected Vice Principal, Coordinator, teachers and my dear friends.
Today I am Vidhi
And I, Saisha.
welcome you all on the behalf of Class 6B to visit our class assembly on Kargil Vijay Divas.
Let's start our day with beautiful prayer. So I request all of you to stand up for the morning prayer.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. I repeat, courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it.
It means the brave man is not a man that does not feel afraid, but a man that conquers that fear.
Thank you.
We all love to know about the latest happenings around. Now I will invite Hussain, Tanishka and Aradhya to update us with the latest news.
Good morning, everyone. Today's national news is Indian economy will grow at a rate of 7% on sustained basis. Economic survey. Supreme Court commences hearing on pleas related to Roe over knee UG. India's K9 squads of Paris for security during Olympics 2024.
England crushed West Indies to win second test. Indian tennis player Yuki Bumrah and his French partner Albano won the Swiss Open 2024 doubles event. Good morning everyone. Today's weather forecast is highest temperature will be 33 degrees Celsius and lowest temperature will be 28 degrees Celsius. It will be mostly cloudy. There are 20% chance of rain. Humidity will be 81%. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing the news with us. Now I would like to invite some of my friends to share some facts about Kargil Vijay Divas.
War was fought between India and Pakistan in 1999 in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir when Pakistani soldiers and militants infiltrated into Indian territory across the line of control with the aim to cut off the vitals of Srinagar-Leh highway and severe links between Kashmir and Ladakh. The Indian Army launched Operation Vijay to recapture the territories that had been occupied by the infiltrators. It is considered one of the most challenging wars because it was fought at high altitudes over 18,000 feet. The Indian Air Force played a crucial role in providing air force to ground support.
The war came to an official end on July 26, 1999 with the eviction of Pakistan Army troops from their occupied positions. The duration of this war was 2 months, 3 weeks and 2 days. 527 soldiers from the Indian Armed Forces lost their lives during the war. This day is annually celebrated in India as Kargil Vijay Divas to honor the soldiers' bravery.
It was the first ever war to be shown live on Indian television. Indian soldiers earned awards for gallantry for showing extreme valor during the war. 4 Paramveer Chakras, 9 Mahavir Chakras and 2 Veer Chakras were awarded.
Thank you friends for sharing such a useful information. I would request my friends Alina and Simran to recite a heartfelt poem dedicated to the soldiers. In the mountains so high, our soldiers stood tall. Fighting with courage, they answered the call. Kargil peaks echoed with the sound of their might. They fought for our freedom in the day and at night.
Their bravery unwavering, their spirit so strong, we honor their sacrifice in our hearts. Their song on Kargil Vijay Divas, we remember their fight, saluting our heroes in the morning light.
बहादुर
create a supportive community.
Learning about our country's history and values helps us understand its importance. Developing skills and talents helps us build a more stronger and capable future workforce. Being responsible citizens now prepares us to make a difference in our country's future.
All of us have a responsibility towards our country and its people. Being the future of the country, we all have a vital role to play in building our nation, like conserving resources, preventing pollution, adhere to laws, etc.
Let's celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas by recognizing and fulfilling our responsibilities as young soldiers. Thank you. As young students, we must learn from the bravery of our soldiers and strive to be responsible and patriotic citizens. Let's always remember the sacrifices made by our soldiers and work towards a better and stronger India.
My name is Sabrina and my birthday falls on 29 July.
My name is Sabrina and my birthday is on 28th.
My name is Arnav and my birthday falls on 25 July.
My name is Nicholas and my birthday is on 20 July.
My name is Rupali and it's my birthday today.
Is observed as an international day for drug abuse and fight against illicit trafficking. We need to understand what is drugs. So there are two kinds of drugs, legal and illegal. So when we are talking about legal drugs, that has been prescribed by the doctors. Suppose cough, cold, fever or any kind of ailment, we go to the doctor. So those are legal drugs. When we are talking about illegal drugs, that is forbidden drugs. Now here, alcohol and cigarette is also illegal for a certain age. So when we look into Delhi and Chandigarh, the age is 25 years, and rest of the states is 21, and at some other states it is 18. So the age is divided according to the states. So why do teens try drugs? Because they are at a very vulnerable age, and they feel too much pressurized, not able to handle the situations which come in their life. So they want to feel cool, they want to fit in a group, or I'm getting bored, or there is a peer pressure, and celebrations and curiosity, right? So these are certain factors for which the adolescent or the teens would like to try drugs. Now, effect of drugs on human body, it's basically a loss of appetite, increase in heart rate, poor sleeping habits are just few of them. Now here I'm going to show you a picture how the brain is affected by alcohol or drugs, usage of alcohol and drugs. The green brain, that is basically the normal brain. And when we are looking into the blue brain, that is the alcoholic brain. So basically our, the speech, memory, and our actions, they slow down. So you must have heard many, accidents taking place, which we keep listening in the news, read in the newspaper. Most of the things we find that the driver was under the intoxication of alcohol. So that's how the accident took place. Now when we are looking into the second picture, that is about lungs, the pink lungs is of a person who is very normal, and the black lungs is of a person who is a smoker. So there is something called a sticky tar in the tobacco, which keeps on filling in the lungs. And over a period of time, the lungs become black, and the lungs is not able to take out the dirt which we actually breathe in. Right? So that's why the lungs keeps changing the color to black. So this is how, like people under you taking drugs or alcohol, how the facial expression you can see has changed over a period of time. So we can see the effect on the body also. So sign of someone using drugs is loses interest in school, changes friends, becomes moody, cranky, worried all the time, and having trouble in concentrating. So these are some of the signs. What you can do, you need to be a little more vigilant, alert to figure it out if something is happening in your surrounding. So what will you do? You will tell an adult or a trusted person who can really help, and that person may need a professional help. Students can also help others by choosing not to try to use it. Because at times there is a lot of peer pressure and they say, okay, it's just a little bit. And then you say, okay, let me just see what happens. So once you are into it, then it becomes very, very difficult to come out. Though people, they go to rehabilitation centers to figure it out. Thank you so much.